usually some night light in Windows, but it's not there in my Linux Mint. So let's find out right about now how to install Nightlight in Linux Mint. So if you are a version of Linux Mint, so let me give them XFCE. Linux Mint does not have a Linux Mint does not have a built-in nightlight switch. You can easily install a free blue light filter called Redshift. So it's called Redshift. Open your terminal, Ctrl Alt T, type sudo apt update, type sudo apt install Redshift GTK. So let's go to the terminal. Sudo apt install Redshift GTK. It's installing. Why is it installing like this? Why is it installing like this? Why are these square brackets? Let's wait for it to finish. It has finished, so let's start and see Redshift. Press tab. Waiting for initial location to become available. That one packages can be upgraded. I'm not interested in that one. Let me try again to sort it in the newest version. So let's try it. Waiting for initial location to become available. Let me paste this error online. Your error occurs because Redshift is hanging while waiting for GeoClue to provide your GPS coordinates, provided by Mozilla. The VLAN error is just Redshift attempting. Can fix this instantly by overriding GeoClue and supplying your coordinates directly through the terminal commands. What the hell? Maybe I'll look for another one that doesn't annoy me with all these instructions. Alternatives of Redshift in Linux Mint. Several excellent blue light filtering alternatives are available for Linux Mint, especially Redshift. Since Redshift no longer works out of the box due to the precise location services. Command line tools. SCT, XSCT, screen color temperature. Lightweight terminal tool that changes the screen tint instantly. You can install it using sudo apt install SCT or sudo apt install XSCT. Run XSCT. Oh no, it has reduced too much. Unable to locate package SCT. Run SCT at 500 to get warmer or SCT alone to reset. SCT 3500. SCT 3500. This like XSCT. I made a mistake. It's not SCT, but XSCT because we installed what? XSCT. Let's see if it works. Wow, it works. So now let me see my document. Oh, let's open this. Language of God. Yeah, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Okay. How about I want more. That's 700. Or it will become too much. Let's see. Doesn't change that much. Let's how about 10,000. What is this? Temperature. Good temperature. Good temperature for night light. XSCT for screen running 2700 to 3500 is ideal. So let me just run 3500. So how about 3000? Let's see 3000. 3000. How about they said what? 2700 Kelvin. 2700. I think I like better. Yeah, I think this is, yeah, this is good. This will not destroy my eyes. Well, now it's working perfectly fine, but how do we stop it? How to stop? How to stop XSCT temperature? Or how to reset? How to reset? To reset your screen color temperature back to default daylight using XSCT, run XSCT 0. Oh, how can I be so dumb? XSCT 0. Alright. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.